What's up guys, Max here, and welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial inside of Premiere Pro. This is also another beginner tutorial, and welcome back to the channel. If you're an expert, you already know how to do this, you know all the shortcuts, get out of here. Shoo, be gone. Otherwise, thank you for being an editor, you're great. So let's get started. Today we want to learn how to, it's kind of a workflow boost. You want to select all the clips forward of the playhead to move things quickly. So typically I find myself if I need to move all of this down the timeline, I'll just grab it all like that and move it down the timeline. Totally fine. But, oh, that was weird. It did that. I didn't want that to happen. There's a tool on here called Track Select Forward Tool, which is A on your keyboard. So this tool right here, if I just select, it grabs everything right there. Hit V on my keyboard, move it down. We can also just do this right here, click A on our keyboard, and it selects the tool, and then I can click this, and it grabs everything within that selection, and I can move it down. Because there's not a cut on this audio right here, it's going to grab this whole track. But if there was a cut right there, it would not grab that whole track. So grab this, and then boom. Everything can be selected and moved down. This is a fantastic tool for selecting everything above the playhead and moving it down. See, it won't select this, even though it's highlighting above it. And as you can see, you can actually play with the selection to understand it and understand the tool quickly to start doing faster editing. As you can see, if there was cuts here, it would not select those. A, select, and then here it does. So it makes my life a lot easier and a lot faster when you're editing a bajillion videos a day, it feels like. As always, guys, I'm Max. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you for being a part of the channel. If you are new to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe. Otherwise, scan that QR code on the screen. Helps me out a ton.